Yo, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's been long since I uploaded the video, but now I'm back and everything is okay now. So in the last section of the video, that how we can comment on this, I also feature a comment by the user by a particular post. Now, why I said we are going to be doing is we are going to be printing out what we want to look very good. So meaning we should go to our API. So remember we have post comments, which is a get request. So let me go ahead and open my Thunder client. All right. Then while this is open, I'm going to run this server. So I'm going to do PHP artisan serve. So I'm going to run this server. I don't know why my system is slow. All right, so the server is running. I'm just going to open up an endpoint. So you can see we have get comments. So if I should send this, now this is what we want. So we don't want to have basically we don't need all this. So we need the name, the email, and we also pass the post ID. Then yeah, I think that's just the only thing we need to fetch comments on that particular post. So to achieve that, we have to create a resource file. So we're going to do API resource. So we're going to create a file for that. So to do that, we're going to do PHP artisan make resource. All right. So we're going to do PHP artisan make resource. So what resource we want to make? We want to make our comment resource. All right. Very good. So we have an error. So yeah, we have to sit into our API. Remember, I can run this. Yep. So I have comment resource. So let's go ahead and open it up. So what we need to do is just we can just convert this to an array. So now we are going to specify what we need. So to do that, I'm going to open this in another. I'm going to split it actually. So I'm going to do split. Let's say right. Okay, I'm going to put this on here. Okay, very good. All right, so what I want to have is a post ID. I'm going to have I'm going to have a comment ID itself. So this is this.id. Then I'm going to have the post ID. Which is this post ID. All right. So you can have just the name and the email. And now comments and maybe created that also. So let's have name, email, comment. Then we have created that, so we know when the someone commented on the post. So I've created that. All right, save that. Yep. So we should be good to go. So what we have to do is just head over to our post controller here. Then we just have to change. We leave the query like that. So I'm going to change is just this. So yeah, it's going to be since the collection of collection of comments. I'm going to do new comment resource. All right, new comment resource. You're going to select collection. And what collection do we want? We want the collection of comments. So we have an error. I believe the error is because I'm passing new here. So I'm going to remove this new. Okay. And so our error has gone now. Good. So now let's go over. We can send our request. Because now we now have this cleaner stuff here. So we have post ID, name, email, comments. Very good. All right. So that is basically what I want to also cover in this section of this video. So the next video we're going to be working on we're going to start building an application. So we're going to set up our Flutter application and get started with everything. See you next time. Peace.